What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Black Friday 2025 is here, and Amazon just dropped some of the biggest tech deals of the entire year. Whether you're upgrading your setup, shopping for gifts, or hunting for the best price before it's gone, I've gathered the top 16 tech deals you absolutely don't want to miss. Every product I mention in this video is linked for you down in the description, so feel free to check them out while you watch. Prices are changing fast, so if you see something you like, grab it before the deal ends. All right, let's jump straight into the list, starting with deal number one. Roborock Carevo Curve X. Meet the Roborock Carevo Curve X, the ultimate cleaning powerhouse designed to elevate your smart home experience. With an impressive 22,000 Pa Hyperforce suction and a zero tangling system, it conquers deep carpet debris, stubborn floor gap residue, pet fur, and even long hair up to 40 centimeters. Its ultra-slim 7.98 centimeters design slides effortlessly under sofas and cabinets to capture dust where it hides, while 80 degrees Celsius hot water mop washing ensures every cleanup is truly hygienic. Equipped with reactive AI obstacle recognition, it intelligently avoids 108 types of objects, navigating seamlessly in both bright and dark environments. The industry-first Adapt-A-Lift chassis and innovative Retract Sense navigation system let the robot adapt to thresholds, tight spaces, and overhead clearance with ease, delivering smooth, uninterrupted cleaning anywhere in your home. Paired with the elegant multifunctional Dock 3.0 Thermo Plus and the feature-packed Roborock app, plus adorable pet-friendly functions like real-time video calls, the Carevo Curve X is more than a robot vacuum. It's your home's smartest cleaning companion. Number 2. Hatch Restore 3 Sunrise Alarm Clock. Transform your nights with Restore 3, the all-in-one sleep companion designed to help you build healthy bedtime habits and drift into deeper, more refreshing rest. In this video, discover how Restore 3 quiets your mind with its calming design, original screen-free sleep content, and customizable light and audio pairings, perfect for creating a soothing nightly unwind routine. With 80-plus science-backed sleep sounds, a gentle sunrise alarm that supports your natural circadian rhythm, and effortless one-button control made for sleepy hands, Restore 3 helps you fall asleep faster and wake up refreshed. Plus, your purchase includes a 6 or 30-day free trial of Hatch Plus, unlocking even more premium routines and content. Whether you follow curated bedtime programs or personalize your own through the Hatch Sleep app, Restore 3 empowers you to create the ideal sleep environment every night. Upgrade your rest, reset your routine, and experience what truly restorative sleep feels like. 3. Toshiba C350 Series. Experience the ultimate in home entertainment with Toshiba's Regza Engine ZR. This revolutionary engine harnesses precise analyzing technology to unlock stunning 4K picture quality, delivering every scene with breathtaking clarity. Toshiba's AI 4K upscaler brings full HD content close to 4K brilliance, intelligently enhancing each pixel for lifelike textures and colors. Dive into immersive audiovisual experiences with Dolby Vision HDR and Dolby Atmos sound, transforming your TV into a cinematic powerhouse. Enjoy ultra-smooth action with Ultimate Motion, whether you're gaming in game mode with All-M, VRR, and eARC support, or cheering on your favorite teams in sports mode, where every fast-paced moment comes alive. 4. Mac Mini M4 Dock. Introducing the Zongul Mac Mini M4 Dock, the ultimate hub designed exclusively for Mac Mini M4 and M4 Pro users. Compact yet powerful at just 5 by 5 inches, this docking station transforms your Mac Mini experience with host and SSD dual-port transfer, featuring 10 gigabit PCIe dedicated channels for both SSDs and USB devices, ensuring stable, secure, and lightning-fast data transfer without interruptions. Our 9+ 1-in-1 hub, 6 USB 3.2 ports, dual SDTF card readers, and support for high-speed M.2 NVMe 2280 SSDs up to 4 TB, SSD not included, giving you unmatched connectivity and storage expansion. With 10 + 10 gigabit PCIe docking speeds, your devices reach their full potential. Tests show near maximum read-write speeds for top SSDs like Samsung 990 Pro and SanDisk Extreme Pro. Thoughtful touches like a one-touch power button aligned with your Mac Mini M4 and a Magic Cable Management System keep your workspace tidy and functional. Elevate your Mac Mini M4 setup with speed, efficiency, and style, all in one sleek dock. 5. Cuisinart Air Fryer Convection Toaster Oven. Discover the ultimate kitchen powerhouse with the Cuisinart 1800-watt air fryer toaster oven. With versatile cooking functions, including air fry, toast, convection bake, broil, grill, and warming, this all-in-one appliance makes meal prep effortless. Its spacious capacity lets you toast 6 slices of bread, air fry 3 pounds of chicken wings, bake a 12-inch pizza, or roast a 4-pound chicken with ease. Enjoy superior operation with an adjustable temperature dial, 60-minute timer with auto shutoff, and a toast shade selector, covering a wide temperature range from warm to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Thanks to Air Advantage technology, your food comes out fast, crispy, and full of flavor every time. Plus, cleanup is a breeze with the included oven rack, baking pan drip tray, air fry basket, reversible grill griddle, and stainless steel easy clean interior. Upgrade your kitchen and make every meal perfectly cooked and delicious. Shark 6. Shark AI Ultra experience the ultimate in effortless cleaning with the Shark AI robot. Incredible suction powers through dirt and debris on all floor types, tackling even the toughest messes. With Matrix Clean, it navigates in a precision grid, making multiple passes to ensure no spot is missed. Say goodbye to frequent emptying. The self-emptying base holds up to 60 days of dirt with no extra bags needed. The self-cleaning brush roll digs deep into carpets and glides across hardwood, capturing hair and debris without tangles. Using 360 degrees LiDAR mapping, it expertly maps your home, avoids obstacles, and adapts to daily changes. Perfect for homes with pets, this robot easily captures pet hair, dirt, and debris. Enjoy hands-free control via the Shark Clean app, Amazon Alexa, or Google Assistant, and never worry about battery life with Recharge and Resume, which lets it pick up right where it left off. Each package includes the Shark AI Robot, XL Self-Empty Base, 2 side brushes, and 1 filter, making cleaning smarter, easier, and completely hands-free. 7. Insignia 50-inch Class F50 Series. Experience entertainment like never before with stunning 4K Ultra HD 2160p resolution. Enjoy HDR10 movies and TV shows with 4 times the clarity of Full HD and upscale your existing content to Ultra HD level quality. Dive into vivid colors and sharp contrast from the brightest whites to the deepest blacks with high dynamic range. Fire TV brings all your favorites together in one place. Stream from Prime Video, Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, HBO Max, and more. Or enjoy over 1 million free movies and TV episodes from ad-supported apps like Pluto TV and Tubi. 8. Hisense 55-inch Class QLED transform your living space into a personal art gallery with the Canvas TV. Art Mode lets you showcase your taste in art when the screen isn't in use, displaying a single masterpiece or a mood-matching slideshow of paintings. Dive into 4K QLED with quantum dot technology for over 1 billion vibrant colors and stunning detail, while the high matte display ensures every artwork looks lifelike without glare. Mount it seamlessly with the ultra slim wall mount and switch up styles with magnetic frames in teak, white, or walnut. Gamers, get ready to dominate with 144Hz Game Mode Pro and variable refresh rate from 48Hz to 144Hz, while multi-channel surround sound immerses you in every movie, song, or game. Powered by Google TV, you'll have all your favorite content organized in one place, and Filmmaker Mode ensures movies play just as the director intended. Plus, the new backlit remote makes control effortless, day or night, with illuminated keys, customizable shortcuts, and Find My Remote. The Canvas TV isn't just a TV, it's art, entertainment, and innovation in one frame. 9. ASUS ROG Strix G16 unleash unstoppable power with the ultimate gaming and creative machine. Featuring Windows 11 Home, an Intel Core i7-14650HX, and the next-gen NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 laptop GPU powered by NVIDIA Blackwell architecture with DLSS 4 and Max-Q technologies, this laptop delivers high-level performance for gamers and creators alike. Experience lightning-fast multitasking with 16GB DDR5600 MHz memory and store your entire game library on a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. Dive into ultra-smooth visuals on the 165Hz FHD Plus display, enhanced with a new ACR film that boosts contrast and reduces glare. Stay cool under pressure with ROG Intelligent Cooling, featuring a vapor chamber, tri-fan design, and Conductonaut Extreme Liquid Metal, keeping your system quiet, cool, and at peak performance. Personalize your setup with a 360-degree full surround RGB light bar that syncs with your keyboard and ROG peripherals, or activate stealth mode for a sleek professional look. This is power, speed, and style, all-in-one powerhouse laptop. 10-point Samsung Galaxy S25 FE Big. Bright, smooth. Experience every scroll, swipe, and stream on the stunning 6.7-inch wide display that's as smooth as it is immersive. Lightweight design, everyday ease. Slim, sleek, and portable, the Galaxy S25 FE goes wherever life takes you. Powerful performance without weighing you down. Selfies that stun. Capture sharp, vibrant selfies and videos with the 12-megapixel camera and Pro Visual Engine, making every shot unforgettable. Move it, remove it, improve it. With Generative Edit Quid, tweak, resize, or erase distractions in your photos, while Galaxy AI fills in every detail perfectly. More power, less plugging in. Stay unplugged longer with a 4,900 mAh battery and recharge in no time with Superfast Charging 2.0, packed with strength. Armor aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass Victus Plus keep your phone protected against everyday life. Powerful performance, a premium chipset, and improved cooling system keep everything running smoothly. Show Gemini, get instant help. Share your camera live with Google Gemini for real-time assistance. See it big, hear it better. Pair your Galaxy Buds 3 FE with the wide display for an immersive movie, game, and video experience. The Galaxy S25 FE isn't just a phone, it's your ultimate everyday companion. 11. Shark HD 430. Transform your hair routine with the Shark FlexStyle Multi-Styling Tool. This all-in-one powerhouse rotates from a hairdryer to a versatile multi-styler, letting you curl, volumize, smooth, and dry effortlessly for any hair type. With advanced temperature regulation, it dries hair quickly while minimizing heat damage, measuring and adjusting temperatures 1000x per second for consistent airflow. Lightweight at just over 1.5 pounds, it delivers fast, powerful styling so you can shape your look while drying. Perfect for straight, wavy, curly, or coily hair, it features 1.25-inch auto-wrap curlers for effortless curls, an oval brush for volume and bounce, a paddle brush for sleek straightening, and a rotatable styling concentrator for precise airflow. With 4 heat settings, 3 airflow speeds, and a cool shot button, you're in total control of your style. Included are the Shark FlexStyle Multi-Styler, 2 auto-wrap curlers, oval brush, paddle brush, and concentrator. Everything you need to create salon-worthy hair at home. 12. Roborock QV35A. Meet the Roborock QV35A, your ultimate home cleaning companion. With an incredible 8,000 PA Hyperforce suction, it effortlessly lifts embedded dirt, stubborn debris, and pet hair from carpets, rugs, and every hard-to-reach corner, leaving your home spotless. Its all-in-one docking station takes convenience to the next level, automatically emptying dust into a 2.7-liter sealed bag that lasts up to 9 weeks, refilling water for up to 3 552 score for foot of mopping coverage, washing and drying pads so your robot is always ready. Say goodbye to hair tangles with the Tangle-Free brush system, featuring an asymmetrical side brush and a full rubber spiral main brush designed for homes with pets. The Reactive Tech Obstacle Avoidance ensures smooth navigation around furniture, cords, and shoes, while dual spinning mops with a 10mm lift scrub tough stains and transition seamlessly to carpets. With PressaSense LiDAR navigation, it maps your home in 360 degrees and remembers up to 4 floors for precise cleaning, all controllable through the Roborock app, watch, or voice devices. Simplify your cleaning routine and enjoy a smarter, cleaner home. Experience the power of the Roborock QV35A today. 13. Dyson V8 Plus Cordless Vacuum. Meet the ultimate cleaning solution, the Motorbar Cleaner Head. Designed to deep clean all floor types while effortlessly detangling long hair and pet hair as you go. With 3 versatile attachments, you can clean high, low, and everywhere in between, all backed by a convenient wall dock and charger. Enjoy up to 40 minutes of fade-free suction power, or switch to max mode for intensive spot cleaning. Lightweight and cordless, it converts into a handheld vacuum for cars, stairs, and upholstery. The innovative hair screw tool and anti-tangle conical brush bar make picking up long hair and pet hair fast and hassle-free, even from pet beds and car seats. Advanced whole machine filtration traps 99.99% of particles down to 0.3 microns, expelling cleaner air. Built from durable, lightweight materials and supported by a 2-year limited warranty plus lifetime Dyson support, this is cleaning made effortless. Ship partially charged. A full charge is recommended before first use. 14-point Breville Barista Express experience cafe quality coffee at home with the Breville Barista Express, part of the Barista series, designed to take you from beans to espresso in under a minute using the proven 4 keys formula. Its integrated precision conical burr grinder delivers freshly ground coffee on demand, while digital temperature control, PI ensures optimal espresso extraction for a perfectly balanced cup. The low-pressure pre-infusion draws out all the flavors evenly, and the powerful steam wand lets you hand-texture microfoam milk for lattes, cappuccinos, and latte art. With an intuitive grind-size dial, razor dose trimming tool, and included portafilter, filter baskets, and accessories, this all-in-one espresso machine makes every step of brewing effortless. Plus, when you purchase and register your Breville coffee machine, receive 2 free bags of specialty coffee. Enjoy single or double shots, a generous 67-ounce water tank, and a half-pound bean hopper, all backed by a 1-year limited warranty. 15-point Beats Studio Pro. Experience sound like never before with Beats Studio Pro wireless headphones. Powered by Beats' custom acoustic platform, these headphones deliver rich, immersive audio whether you're jamming to your favorite tracks or taking important calls. Enjoy lossless audio via USB-C and 3 built-in sound profiles to tailor your listening experience. Switch between fully adaptive active noise canceling ANC and transparency mode to hear exactly what you want. With personalized spatial audio and dynamic head tracking, you're placed at the center of a 360-degree soundscape. Long-lasting battery life gives you up to 40 hours of playback, plus a 10-minute fast fuel charge for 4 hours of extra listening. Crisp, clear calls are guaranteed thanks to voice-targeting mics, and on-ear controls let you manage calls, music, and Siri effortlessly. Connect wirelessly with industry-leading Class 1 Bluetooth and enjoy seamless compatibility with Apple and Android devices. The package includes headphones, woven carrying case, 3.5mm audio cable, USB-C charging cable, quick start guide, and warranty card. Step into the ultimate listening experience today. 16-point Oura Ring 4 Silver. Looking for the ultimate health tracker that fits your lifestyle? The Oura Ring 4 is more than just a smart ring. It's your 24/7 personal wellness companion. Size before you buy with the Oura Ring 4 sizing kit because these sizes differ from standard rings. New members get their first month of Oura membership included with subscription options starting at $5.99 a month or $69.99 annually. Powered by Smart Sensing, Oura tracks over 50 health metrics, from sleep and activity to stress and women's health, adapting to you for accurate, continuous insights day and night. With up to 8 days of battery life, a sleek screen-free design, and water-resistant all-titanium comfort, it's built for 24/7 wear, workouts, nights out, and everything in between. Plus, it's HSA FSA eligible and syncs seamlessly with your favorite apps like Apple Health, Strava, Flow, and more. Whether you want a sleep ring, fitness ring, or all-in-one health tracker, Oura Ring 4 helps you track, recover, and thrive, all in style. That wraps up our list of the 16 hottest Black Friday tech deals on Amazon for 2025. If you spotted something you can't wait to grab, all the product links are waiting for you down in the description so you can shop them directly. Don't wait too long. These deals are only around while supplies last. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech deal updates and product reviews. Happy shopping, and I'll see you in the next video.